Let's bring them on, ladies and gentlemen.
What's up, my people, and welcome back to the channel. Today is part 2 of preparing to drop this transmission. What we're going to do today is remove some of the supporting components or the stuff that's in the way to prepare to drop the trans. So the exhaust has got to come out. The drive shaft safety loop, that's gotta get out of here. The drive shaft itself has got to get out of here. Let's see, trans lines, and I think that's about it today. Electrical connectors, the shifter linkage, that's pretty much it. So let's get into it. Pretty much it for today's video. I pretty much wanted to get the transmission in the position where it's ready to loosen bell housing bolts and drop it. So I was able to get the cross mount taken off. I'm probably going to lower this a little bit more, see if there's any more fluid that's going to come out of this tail housing, just to make sure I don't get that all over my floor. Got the cooler lines off, got all the electrical plugs off. So now it's just pretty much, like I said, taking the bell housing bolts off and dropping the trans. I have not received my tracking number for my Circle D converter yet. They told me around the 22nd of January that it should be completed. So hopefully next week I'll have some kind of tracking number, and that'll be on the way. And before it gets here, I'll have the transmission ready to go back up. So I appreciate y'all time. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Got a couple more things I'm going to be doing to this car that I'll be revealing up to Ponies in the Smoky. So definitely stay tuned. Definitely hit the little bell, get alerts when I drop videos, and continue to support me. You know, head over to my Instagram channel or my Instagram page and check out some of the write-ups I have on some of your favorite SN95s and some SN95s that you probably never heard of. So check that out. Thank you for your time. God bless.